para sa akin, para siyang buhay na gumagalaw, but it's metal. Babo Kabalen, welcome to INQUIRE Pampanga. For today's video, it's a little bit different sa mga usual na vlog na ginagawa namin because nandito tayo ngayon sa Vulcan Resources located sa may Porac, Pampanga. Nasa warehouse tayo and notice background natin, mga ilaw, mga steel, mga arts and crafts. If you wanna know more about this, samahan nyo ako. Let's go! Right, so let's start our tour dito sa pinaka-entrance niya sa warehouse. Actually, that door leads to the production area which we are gonna go later on. But before we go there, yun nga, gusto kong pakita yung mga final products na sinaserve ni Vulcan Resources. Earlier, I had the chance to talk with the chief designer and they started from butingting, no? Nagbubutingting sila ng mga bakal. Way back then, ang pinaka main clients nila are abroad. So they actually export these kinds of items. 15 years ago or 10 years ago, they started to market local. Kasi nga naman, these are gawang mga Pinoy, mga Kapampangan. We get to enjoy them as well, display them sa mga bahay natin, we get to use them, and of course, we take pride na yung mga ganito kagandang bagay o produkto na nagagawa natin nanggagaling sa Pampanga. Actually, iba-iba yung mga themes natin. So, mayroong classic, may modern, name it, no? They can actually customize it. But I gotta say, no, I gotta tell you guys na isa-isa sa mga mesh na yan, they're welded individually. So each strand ng wire or steel is actually welded one by one. No item is actually exact or, super identical. Pwede sa mga residential, pwede rin sa mga commercial like hotels. Again, according to my orientation, nagsimula lang po sila sa mga benches na katulad nito. These are steel. Each individual strand na sinabi ko nga kanina is actually welded one by one. Isa-isa po sila. So this is their showroom. This is the warehouse. They invite guests or potential clients to come here para ma-appreciate po yung kanilang mga works or designs. Para sa akin, yung section na yun, yung kung saan tayo na kanina, para siyang modern na flashy. This one, it has para namang elegant pero modern pa rin yung theme niya. Again, mga lamps natin dito, they are called mesh. If you notice, ayan, sa pinaka covering natin, each, what do you call it, yung irregular shape na circle, or I cannot explain it guys, pero each one of those is actually welded one by one. Ganun siya katagal guys. Production natin dito, ayan siya. Nandun yung mga skilled workers natin. They actually put the pieces together isa-isa. If you notice kanina, more on metal. Dito, parang they incorporate wood. So, mga old wood. And then, meron tayong mga old style hanging lamps. This chandelier has a trivia. Some of the pieces here came from an original old chandelier. Parang ni-restore siya and recycled into another masterpiece. So this side, you get to appreciate isa-isa how they look like in actual lighting. Ito sila, iba-iba. So aside from mga functional products natin like this lamps, meron din tayong mga wall art decors such as this. Very abstract, organic. Para sa akin, para siyang buhay, no? Buhay na gumagalaw, but it's metal. These are great for indoors or outdoors. Pwede rin sila. Speaking of outdoor, they also start to fabricate mga ganitong old Filipino kubo pero has a modern approach. Hello, sir. Thank you. Alright, so this is the last piece here. Ang galing. I think pwede rin siyang outdoor Christmas tree, no? Not the typical pine cone na Christmas tree, but it's also great for Christmas decors. Let's go here. Let me show you something. Look at this lampstand. Ito yung mga candle holders naman sila, di ba? Mga candle holders. Let me give you a trivia. This is a prototype of what they did. Something bigger, mas malaki siya. If you notice, meron siyang person over there. Hawak niya itong parang lambat shape. And then dun sa actual na ginawa nila, which is I think it's like 10 meters, no, yung dimension niya. It has another person holding yung lambat din nito. If you notice yung mga design nila dito, it has parang fluid, organic, it's living. That's what they do here. So aside from yung mga yon, meron din tayong tables, chairs, benches, mga wall mirrors. Ito para naman silang pang-award, di ba? So ito yung mga mirrors natin. They are currently setting it up dito. Again guys, this is Vulcan Resources. I'm really happy na mayroong ganito sa Pampanga. Good thing they opened their doors for local inquiry. So if you got questions sa mga nakita nyong designs dito, mga items or products, check out the fan page, the details we're including dun sa caption. This is actually great for interior designers, for architects, for builders, and even yung mga housewife na naghahanap ng mga magagamit nila sa bahay, di ba? So gotta check out the fan page. So that's it. Thanks so much for watching INQUIRE in Pampanga. Please like this video, share this video to someone who needs this video. I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching. Peace out. Bye guys.